Alright, hey guys, we are back with another video, and today we got this fragrance dispenser from, I believe it's called SVAVO, and it was about 35 Canadian dollars, excluding tax. But yeah, you can find a link in the description below to the product. It'll be an affiliate link. And yeah, let's get this opened up right away. The box, oh actually, let me show you guys around the box real quick. So there's some information right here. So the air freshener, you have to refill that yourself. It's not included as well, but I'm pretty sure you can find them for very cheap. You can buy them in bulk, I'm pretty sure, if you use this kind of product very regularly. Anyways, there it is. We're just gonna get the top removed, just like that. And this is what we see. Alright, let's try to get out. There's some other paperwork, it seems. Some sort of a card, I believe. Okay, welcome to SVAVO family for an experience, intelligent life, thank you. A little kind message. Anyways, we'll put that away for now. Let's just quickly view the manual. Auto perfume dispenser, user manual. All right, they got the little parts listed out. Okay, so specifications, parameters. All right. To run this, I believe it takes 2 AA batteries. So I've actually came prepared, but I do not have the perfume, what would you call this? I forget. The air freshener cans. So I won't be able to use it this video, but we can take a look inside. So let's get this tape off the top. I'll cut through it, whatever. There we go. Let's take it down now. Alright, and here it is. Yeah, very pleasant view. Very nice design. What's it called? This is wall mountable. I don't know if I've said that, but yeah, there's the holes and whatnot. You can also set a timer, I believe, and a duration of how long you could spray, I think. And every so couple hours it'll spray for a certain amount of time, or it'll spray a little bit and then it'll wait some time and then spray again later. So it'll keep spraying, so you don't have to physically do it yourself. So that's pretty nice. You also, I believe, you have to mount this 7 to 9 feet above the ground level. But yeah, okay. So just press that, and we remove it just like that. Oh, also, by the way, this is the LCD screen version, I guess you can call it. They have another version where they don't have an LCD screen, but I believe they're the same price. So I think this would be much more easier to use, because the LCD screen provides more. I guess it provides a better, more options, I guess you could say, because the ones with the other version has low LEDs, and it doesn't really give too many options, as this can display more options and whatnot. And that one, I believe you have to just go in here and just modify it, but I believe it's the same with this. Not exactly sure. Anyways, let's figure out where to put the batteries in. Oh, it's at the top. Alright, there's the 2 spaces for the AA's. I'll place one in there. I'll place another one in right there. They're secured inside there. This is where the canister would go in, but since I don't have one right now, I'll avoid working with that. So, okay, let's figure out how to turn this on. Reset, that does nothing. Alright, let's close it back up. Okay, there seems to be no buttons around, so we're gonna definitely have to open this up and somehow turn it on. And I'm not exactly sure how to, oh, power, what am I? Okay, let's hold it for a little bit. Doesn't seem to be powering on right now. There we go, the batteries weren't in properly. There we go, it's on now. But yeah, very nice display. We can control the hour, minutes, there's different modes apparently, weak, spray, okay. And yeah, alright, that seems pretty nice. And then if you click the power again, okay, start, off. What if you hold it? Can it just fully turn off or not? Yeah, it seems like it's not going to fully turn off. Either way, to make it stop spraying, you just click that and it will be blank over there. But if you click that, it would have start and it would say on. So it'll be working when it's in this mode. Yeah. So let's close this back up. I don't know if I showed you guys the little package right here, or the screws and whatnot. This is, I believe, used to mount it onto the wall, if you'd like to. But yeah, it's very nice right there. But that's going to be it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I've given you some sort of a knowledge to this product. And please check it out down in the description below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.